240 mLs, and 1 ounce equals 30 mLs. So we have a lot of work to do with this problem. Okay, so for the milk, 4 ounces of milk. All right, so for this one, 4 ounce equals how many milliliters? Because we need to find milliliters, right? Okay, so we're gonna work on this XML. We're gonna carry this over right here. What we know is 240 mLs equals 1 cup. Nope, I did that wrong. Can you crop that?
Yeah, restart whenever you're ready.
All right, should I start from the beginning?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I mean, maybe.
All right.
Or just show the problem. You don't need to read it again. And just say, here's what we're doing.
Okay. All right, so this is what we're doing. All right, so let's do our 4 ounces of milk. We have our conversions right here. All right, so what we're looking for is we need to find mils, right? So we have 4 ounce equals how many mils? Find this problem, we go XML equals, we put milliliters up here, and what we know is 30 mLs equals 1 ounce. So we put 30, 1 ounce. Remember what we have to put up here? Just go diagonal and put ounce. All right, so from this problem, it's 4 ounces of milk. So we put 4 up here. We gotta put something down here, so we put a 1. All right, so we just multiply that right on over, cancel the ounces to find the mils. 30 times 4 is 120 mLs. So we can put for our intake 120 mLs. But we're not done, we have a lot more to go. All right, our next thing we're figuring out is our cup of coffee. So 1 cup of coffee equals how many mils, but we already know this. 1 cup equals 240, so we don't need to convert that. We just put it on over here so we can add it up later. Okay. All right. 1 cup of tea, we already know 1 cup of tea equals 240, so we're gonna put another 240. All right. 3 ounces of pudding. All right, so we know 1 ounce equals 30 mLs. All right, so we need to find milliliters. So we're going to carry this through up on this first line. Okay. And we're measuring ounces, so we know that 30 mLs equals 1 ounce times, and we got to put an ounce up here. Remember diagonal. All right. And the person had 3 ounces. Let's plug in what we know. Put 1 down here. So we're finding mils, so we're going to cancel the ounces. So cancel, cancel. And 30 times 3 is 90. Three-quarter cup. All right. So remember to divide fractions. What's 3 divided by 4 to get a decimal? 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. Okay. So what we're going to do is we need to find milliliters for that. So XML. What do we know from the conversion? We're measuring cup. So we have milliliters up here, cup. All right, so we have 240 milliliters equals 1 cup. To start off our problem, times that by what we know. 3/4 cup broth. 3/4 cup broth is 0.75 cups. problems, so we'll try to trip you up. I'm not gonna lie. All right. So we are canceling the cups because we don't need to find cups. We already know. So what is 240 times 0.75? 180. And then we have milliliters. Oh, that's nice to add milliliters here. So we gotta add that all up. So 120, 240, 240, 180, 420, and 90. Hi.
Oh, hey, how are you?
We got 1290.
You're still here?
My computer isn't working, my laptop, the iPad to do it, so I have to like record on the board. Okay, so your intake is gonna equal, bye love, 1290. Output is we're gonna figure that out much easier. So now that we found our intake of 1290, now let's find your output, a total. So luckily everything's in milliliters, it usually is. So we're gonna add 240, 400, and 540, and that comes to 1180 mLs. So our intake for this patient for 12 hours, 7A to 7P, is 1290 mLs, and our output is 1180 mLs. Okay, I hope this helps.